Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I thread my Brother LB-6800. I really love this machine and it is my favorite. I even have two of them. Take a quick pan over there, look at that. That one has a catacorn sticker on it. But I love this machine because it does a little bit of embroidery, not too much. It has an automatic thread cutter, which is very useful. It has a needle threader. And it's very easy to use, and the main reason I love it is because of that nice speed function. Because if I have it on the fastest setting, I tend to make a lot of mistakes. So I slow it down, and I find my sewing is so much better. So let's get to that threading. So the first thing you're going to do is put your cone behind your machine if you're using a cone, or put your spool on the spool holder. Then you're going to put your thread through this little metal arm right here, where the number 1 is. It's a little harder to do when you're doing it with one hand. Okay, then you're going to put it around town here, like SpongeBob in the bubble blowing episode. Bring it around town. Now pull it down, and we're going to go down and around town again. So there's a 3 here, so that's how we know we're going in the right direction. Very important you get the thread around the back of this metal arm. What's going on here? So this is around because you see the thread is pulling on the left side. Now we bring it down and then put it right where the 6 is. Pull it over. So once you have it around the 6, you're going to put the thread up in this little hole. And then up around the 7 towards the back, and then press on the lever to push the threader arm down and into the needle hole, and voila, you have a threaded needle. Then you just pull out the tail end, and I put it in the back. This is a little much, so I might pull some from the cone and wind it back. But that is how you thread this machine. So now let's do the bobbin. So you see my blue bobbin in there. First thing you're going to do, pop the bobbin cover off and pretend there wasn't a bobbin in there. Alright, so after you pop the bobbin cover off, you want to place your bobbin in where it is spinning out clockwise. What I mean by that is that you take the thread and it's coming out of the bobbin clockwise. Clockwise, because if I flip this over, it would be coming out of the bobbin counterclockwise. See that? Clockwise, because it's going like this. So once you make sure your bobbin is feeding out clockwise, you're going to place the bobbin in the bobbin holder. This might be easier with a tripod. Going to place the bobbin in the bobbin holder. Make sure you leave a little bit of a tail, because you need to put the thread through here, around the arrows. And when you're putting through, you'll hear a tiny tink, a metal tink. That means the metal arm in there has caught the bobbin thread. Did you hear that? Did you hear that tink? That's the tink. And then I feed it through and pop the cover back on. Very simple machine to thread. And then when you turn on, it works. So thanks for watching my tutorial on how to thread my machine. I hope you find that helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.